Hello everyone, it's Voodoo Ropes, and today I'm going to talk about the Ropecombini challenge and about your submissions from all over the world. So yeah, what is Combini? Combini is a Japanese word for a convenience store. So convenient store, it just, the word convenient cuts to Combini. That's it. So the story of the Ropecombini challenge is that we were talking with Bernardo, my Mexican friend. We were talking about weird places to have photo shoots at, and came up with the idea of a grocery store, like a convenience store, like OXXO. Yeah, why not? And I thought that maybe this idea will be interesting to others too. So I just suggested my Instagram followers to go to the grocery store, just any grocery store in their region, and take a picture of a model tied up in the store so we can see, first of all, their style of photography and tying. Second, the store in their area, so because they're all different everywhere. And third, we were going to see how it is all combined and what colors they choose, what tie they choose, and it's just a great boost of creativity to try doing weird things in weird places. So thanks to your great participation, we got works from Russia, Mexico, the US, Thailand, India, Argentina, and France. So this is a lot of works, and I don't know how to choose the best ones from there because they're all pretty cool. I'm going to show you all of them in this video, and some of the participants also sent me videos talking about their experience, which is also very valuable because not for everybody it is a normal thing to go to a grocery store and take pictures being tied up. About my story, how I did it, I just took my friend Jen. She came by here after gym, and I was like, hey Jen, you wanna go to the store tied up for 5 minutes? I'll take a picture. And she was like, sure, let's do it. So first of all, of course, I went to the store and got the outfit for her, and then we went to the grocery store. It's not a grocery store even, it's a convenience store that is downstairs of my apartment. It's an OXXO in Mexico. So we went in there. She had the arm tied up and the collar here. So, and she was looking all fancy. So we went to that store. The guy and the cashier didn't really pay any attention. So we took a couple of pictures within like 2 minutes. And then on the exit, we really wanted to take a picture with ice. And he was already looking at us, and Jen, she's Colombian, so she speaks perfect Spanish, and she asked him if we can take a picture, and he was like, no problem. So we could have just asked in the first place, but it was nice to be a little bit stressed about the thing that you're not supposed to do it here. But then the guy was totally fine with us doing it there. So let's start looking at your works. Let's go!
So the first comes the collaboration between Katie Kilsio and Blackfish. They did an awesome job, covered all the checkpoints of my list. First, authentic store. They found a Japanese store in Los Angeles and took photos with pretty self-explanatory items in there. Second, showing their photography style. And third, the shibari style, of course. They definitely got this one. Also, they took a look at this 7-Eleven shirt. So, cuteness of modeling of Katie and bright, detailed photography of Blackfish. I absolutely love these pictures with noodles and whiskey and 7-Eleven shirt, yes. Next comes work of the guy who inspired this challenge, Bernardo, and his model Miri. Authentic store in Mexico City, we can see the products, we can see clearly Bernardo's mystical style of photography here. Shibari web looks really great with the outfit. So not for everyone it is easy to go to the store and take pictures, so let's listen to them talking about this experience.
Coming up on my experience on the Ropecombini challenge working with Atesada Studio. I was really nervous about doing bondage in public for the first time. I didn't know how will people react, and I think most people in the city are already used to seeing weird things all the time. So most people were really chill about it. But we actually went to the first store and asked if we could take the pictures, and they were like, "Hell no!" So I just told him like we should just enter to a store and start doing it without even asking. Like they wouldn't care enough to like stop us or something. So yeah, we just enter and start improvising, and I'm really happy with like the pictures and how the work ended up being. It was a really good experience.
¿Qué onda, chiques? Ayer estuve rifándome con el Combini Challenge acá con mi Amix Miranda y no mames, me estaba hiper muriendo de la ansiedad, pero creo que salió algo bastante chido. Sí, fue creo yo que una experiencia memorable, pero bueno, estuvo muy rifado y espero ver sus fotografías.
Moving on to the next work, risque shoot submitted by Not Mesh. Photos are taken in the store in Buenos Aires, Argentina. I was really shocked when I saw this mask. Guys really did a great job styling it. And here is my favorite shoot, sitting by the rolls of toilet paper. Such corona times. I love the styling, the ropes and the angles of the photos. Moving to India. Arjun Frame from Kerala was his beautiful model Chaitra. Again, style, colors, simple but pretty rope style. This is very eye-opening for me that people all over the world are doing it and telling me their stories. Indian store employees were supportive. Listen to Chaitra's story to know more about it.
Hi everybody, this is Chaitra and I'm from India and I'm a Bangalore-based model. To be honest, I did not have any clue about this shibari art. I contacted Mr. Arjun regarding the same, so he briefed me about this. He also told me about his previous shoot. He shared me a few pictures from his previous shoot so that I can get some idea about it. And I was really excited to participate in this because it was something unique I found. So as mentioned in the page, this was supposed to be taken in the store, and we had a word with the store manager. They were really very supportive. Their only point was we are not supposed to disturb any of their customers, and they wanted us to finish within quick time without disturbing any of them. So I think we did that, and I would like to thank Mr. Arjun for giving such beautiful shots, and I'm proud that he is the only person from India who has participated in this challenge. And thank you, Miss Anastasia, for conducting this challenge. I'm sorry if I have pronounced your name wrong. I'm happy that I was a part of it, and it was really very good experience.
Back to Mexico, now in Cancun. My dear friend Aiden Musume tied up her boyfriend and took him to the store. Here we see very Mexican totopos de maíz, wavy rope style of Aiden Musume and her pure and matte photography showing details really well. Our next submission came from Texas. Mama Ropes here. This tie on the leg and hand got me. It's a lot of work to tie. Good job there. Also, here is authenticity of the place. Beaver nuggets. So Texas. Next stop, Thailand. Amazing, right? Love this tie with red ropes, and you can notice Thai goods here and Thai language. And yeah, store lighting is really challenging, but we're trying to work with whatever we have to explore and develop more skills to take pictures anywhere. Another favorite from a Russian shibari artist, Aurora. Aurora is from Khabarovsk, a big city in the east of Russia. If you didn't know how big is Russia, here you go. Here is Moscow, and here is Khabarovsk. So you can probably swim to Japan from there. Detailed rope work and creativity are in every picture of Aurora. Here you see her model with a very Russian chocolate, Alenka. photographed through bublik. It's like a Russian bagel. Colors, classy chest harness, winter outfits. This picture just screams Russia. Love it. Let's go to the other part of Russia now, Severodvinsk. Here, it takes 11.5 hours to fly from Khabarovsk to Severodvinsk. Oh my god, Russia. Octopus Rope has a very fun choice of location. She chose a hardware store. This is not a Combini, but I love the creativity, beauty of ropes, and a pretty risky outfit for a Russian store. She also left us a message. From France. I wonder how the workers looked at this leather outfit. Pretty work. So it is really hard to choose one favorite. That is why I will just show you everyone who combined rope skills, creative photography, and showed me the local items. And that's most of the participants. This was the first challenge, so I'm not very strict, and it's really hard to be. But next week on my Instagram, I will publish the next challenge and will choose one winner with 2 more people, because I need more people to choose things. Please take part in the next challenge and you will have a chance to win a set of ropes.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want to take part in the next challenge, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to take a look at my Instagram because I post challenges there, not on YouTube. I don't know yet what the next challenge will be, but we're gonna think about it with Bernardo again and come up with something spicy this time because we're in Mexico. Keep doing ropes, be creative, and always stay safe. Bye bye guys, love you.